Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using this service. Today, we're diving into Uber, accessible at www.uber.com. Uber has revolutionized personal transportation, providing on-demand ride services through a user-friendly mobile application. Beyond simply requesting a ride, the platform offers a range of options from budget-friendly UberX rides to premium Uber Black car services. Users can also utilize Uber for other needs, including food delivery with Uber Eats and even package delivery in select markets. The app provides fare estimates upfront, allowing riders to budget effectively. Real-time tracking enables you to monitor your driver's arrival and share your trip details with friends and family for added safety and peace of mind. Integrated payment methods streamline the process, eliminating the need for cash transactions. Uber operates in numerous cities globally, making it a convenient option for both local commutes and travel in unfamiliar areas. The app also incorporates safety features such as driver ratings and reviews, helping passengers make informed choices. Furthermore, Uber surge pricing dynamically adjusts fares during periods of high demand, which can be both a benefit for drivers and a potential drawback for riders depending on the situation. The app's interface is designed for ease of use, with clear instructions for requesting rides, setting pickup locations, and managing your account. Overall, Uber offers a versatile and accessible platform for personal transportation and other on-demand services. The convenience, range of options, and integrated features make it a valuable tool for navigating the urban landscape and beyond. While surge pricing can occasionally be a concern, the transparency of upfront pricing and real-time tracking contributes to a generally positive user experience. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to get around, be sure to check out Uber at www.uber.com.